video. Right now we are in Fort Jesus here in Mombasa, and this is my second day video. We are here in Mombasa, where I want to show you here in Fort Jesus. This is my first time here, and I'll be taking you around to just see the nice view of Fort Jesus. So guys, I just want to give you something that you are not expecting. So that side right there, that's where the Fort Jesus is. But right here, down here, we had to pay to come down here. We could be the first people to be here, and I think we are. We're the first people to come here because there is construction. As you can see, there's construction going on here, and we paid to be here. We just sneaked in, paid a little bit of money to be here. Guys, don't ask me how much, but we did. So guys, come along, let me show you the beautiful view and the reason why I had to pay to come here.
I had forgotten to introduce myself. I'm still Amaris Monde. Okay, and then Nzioka is my friend, is a good friend of mine. So he had to visit us here in Mombasa, and then we had to pay a visit at Fort Jesus. So even though our time had already gone, it was already evening, and then the darkness had already come to in order to use Panya routes in order to be here. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to his YouTube channel. Thank you very much.
So guys, this is Fort Jesus. The problem is I didn't learn a little bit about the history about here. I could have told you about it, but anyway, I will just show you the view of this place. So if you're watching me, whether you're watching me on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, welcome again to Fort Jesus. And this is one of the most beautiful places that you should come. And I can see something there that says it's Portuguese monument, whatever it is. Let me show them. So guys, so there's this Portuguese wall here. It says Portuguese wall painting, and there's some history about it with some beautiful doors here, and there are more than just one. So guys, you see these doors right here? These are Portuguese wall painting with Omani doors. It's just written on this wall here. They're saying Omani doors, and I just read a little bit of the history behind it to just tell you that these doors right here, they are used mostly in the coast, and they were used by someone called Sultan Sahid bin Sultan. He's one of those famous guys for the coastal areas. He used to own this part, and then he used to use these doors mostly in Zanzibar, that is in Tanzania, and here in the coast they are mostly used outside, not like in Lamu where they use them inside. So that's a little bit of history that you should know about when you come here. You should come and learn this history. That's why you should come to Fort Jesus. So guys, you see there's some paintings here. So these paintings are some of the paintings found in this wall. They are believed to have been painted by some of the soldiers in the 17th century, guys. So I just look at this. These are some of the things that you should come and learn about the history about Kenya coast when you come here. So guys, I just read that here. It's not something that I used to know, but I just read it here. Okay, so this is Fort Jesus Museum book and gift shop, opening every day. So guys, I just want to give you something that you are not expecting. So that side right there, that's where the Fort Jesus is. But right here, down here, we had to pay to come down here. We could be the first people to be here, and I think we're the first people to come here because there is construction. As you can see, there's construction going on here, and we paid to be here. We just sneaked in, paid a little bit of money to be here. Guys, don't ask me how much, but we did. So guys, come along, let me show you the beautiful view and the reason why I had to pay to come here. So you see there's that beautiful view there, Forte Jesus up there. There's nice lighting at night. Wow, this is beautiful, right? So this is so beautiful, guys. Look at this. It's at night. It's around 7 at night, and we had to pay to come and see this with this beautiful view of the ocean here. So guys, you can see behind me is the Fort Jesus, and this is the most beautiful place you can ever come. But as I said, we are the first people to come here. That's the most exciting part about creating this video.
You and bro.
The person behind me in the camera, she's asking why or who and who. Me and the person behind the camera, we have to pay. You don't want to know who is behind the camera. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, comment, and share this video with your friends, and come to Fort Jesus.
So okay, as I've said, I don't want to talk, but I'm happy. I've been the camera person. So that's the reason I was asking who and who, because they said we had to pay. So who and who? It's me and him. Thank you very much.
Okay guys, so there's this nice view here. So guys, so there's this nice view here, and this ground here looks like a football grounds that's been made behind
The
Fort
Fort
Jesus. All right, so it's part of the payment that we made so that we can come here to be the first people ever. All right, so come along. Okay guys, so as you see, there's like markings of this beautiful playground, some lighting at night. So guys, hope you like this.
Ishmael Nzioka, we are the first person to be here, first people to be here. We had to pay, so that's the reason I've asked him who and who. It's me, the camera person, and him. So it's a privilege, so we have paid, and it's not a must that you know the amount of money that you have paid in order to be here. So we are so happy. It's getting dark, it's already 7. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Keep watching and subscribe to Ishmael Nzioka's videos. Thank you very much. If it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe and press the subscription
button. So it's me here, and with Stella Maris, we've been creating this video. She's been my camera lady for today, for creating this Fort Jesus. Thank you so much for coming along, and maybe you can tell us something in the comment section. Okay,
good evening team. I'm Stella Maris. I've been the camera person for Nzioka, and then that's the reason you are seeing us here, and I've accompanied him to Fort Jesus. And then we are here, we are already at the last lapses, and then we have to go home. See you tomorrow. We are looking for a nice place to visit.
Tomorrow
Bye.
you should check out for another place, so stay tuned. Goodbye for now. Jesus, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, and share it with your friends, and leave me a comment on the comment section.